Hey, coming to you live from Godley, Texas. I hope you can hear over this. You can't really see it, but that's hail on the ground at about 7 o'clock in the morning. There's some lightning. I know you heard that. That's my hand shadow. See if I can get some light on this. That one looks pretty good. And there we go. Some light. There's the truck out there. All that white is hail. Our junky front yard covered in hail. And that's letting up. Our first good hailstorm here in Godley of 2013. I'll go out and take some pictures of the truck in a minute. It's still coming down pretty good. Yeah, there's some more lightning. There you go, bouncing everywhere. More lightning. Oh, you can see the reflector of the driveway. About pea-size hail.